The right guy to have on the mound for the Tigers tonight. He's a battler.
Lifted in the air toward right center field. Cameron Maybin is on the move. He'll run it down, and that will end the inning. No runs, a walk, and 1 man left. Here's the 1-2. Lynn swings and misses, struck him out. Again, the 1-2. Swing and a miss, struck him out. Martin fans for the second out. The 0-2 is a bender, strike 3. See you later. How about that, man? 3 strikeouts.
Very nice.
JV pitching around a leadoff double. Nicely done.
They've got the scouting report.
Chopper, right side of the infield. Kinsler ranging right. And again, a leadoff double for now. Swing and a miss. He struck him out. Martin slams the bat, slams the helmet. Here's the 1-1 pitch. Got under that one, popped it up shallow right field. Castellanos going back, drifting, and he'll make the play. Swing and a miss. 1 out. Runner goes, swinging a high fly ball to right field, not deep. There is Aviles to make the catch and retire the side.